Hi, my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini's Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spaghetti in spicy white sauce. It's so delicious when there's a little of spice in the spaghetti. It's so nice, and also we are going to finish it with a unique flavor. So let's continue with our recipe now. Here we go. I'm cutting my sausages into quarter-inch pieces. So if there's a casing, make sure you remove the casing before you cut. So, and then you have to take the spaghetti and push it through, like take around 5 to 6 spaghetti and push it through each piece. I know it takes little time, but it's so delicious and it's a nice beautiful dish when you make. So here's my pot of boiling water. I'm adding enough salt. So put your spaghetti there. Be careful. Don't let the hot water get splash on you. So be careful. If your packet instruction says to boil it for 10 minutes, make sure you are taking 2 minutes earlier than it says. So follow the instruction, but 2 minutes earlier you are removing it from the hot water and you are giving nice cold water bath. Drain it and set aside. We don't want to overcook this, so make sure you are washing it. Here we go. There are 2 cups of water here and I'm adding 2 tablespoonful of cornstarch and mix it well. Here's my pot. I'm adding around 2.5 spoons of oil. I'm adding 10 to 12 minced garlic and let it fry for a while. And then I'm adding my 1 cube of chicken stock, so you can add whatever you want. Let it fry also together with the garlic until the garlic is slightly turned brown. And now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chili Szechuan sauce paste. So Szechuan sauce recipe, it's in my channel. You can see that it's a very versatile paste sauce that you can use on many dishes. I love this. So here let it fry also with this garlic and all for another 2 minutes. And then I'm going to add my cornstarch. Let it fry for 2 minutes. Here my cornstarch. And then I'm adding 1 cup of milk. Milk for your preference, whatever milk you want you can add. I'm adding 2% milk, 1 cup. And let it cook for a minute before you're adding anything else. This is medium heat. We are keeping it in medium heat. Cook for a minute. And then add a little bit of salt. So when you're adding salt, be careful because Szechuan sauce also there's some salt in that, and we also add 1 cube chicken cube, so you can keep the salt as the last thing. So but I add anyway a little bit. And also I'm adding garlic salt here, so again there's some salt in the garlic salt. So if you maybe can completely stop adding salt if you are not a person who taking salt much. And I'm adding some oregano flakes and also some parsley flakes. Mix and cook for a few seconds. So now I'm going to add my pasta. So the 2 minutes I asked you to take earlier, this is the reason, because I'm going to cook this pasta in this sauce for another 2 minutes. Next 2 minutes in high flame. We are going to cook this for 2 to 2.5 minutes in between somewhere. And I'm adding my tomato here. So after around 2.5 to 3 minutes, make sure you're removing it from the flame, and then continuously mix for another minute, like that. So now everything is absorbed nicely, everything is thickened, the sauce is thickened now. So I'm going to add half a cup of mayonnaise. You won't believe the mayonnaise is giving a very unique taste to this. So I'm going to add half a cup here. You have to try this. I was trying with some of my friends this dish and they love it. They say they have never ever tried with mayonnaise. Yeah, if you don't like mayonnaise, you want to add cheese, you can add cheese, cream cheese, or whatever cheese you like. But I love with that spice and with this Szechuan sauce taste, and with this mayonnaise, it's give a very unique flavor to this dish. Please give it a try this way and see how tasty it is. I can tell. So the salt, you see, however the salt you want, so you salt your taste always. So please give it a try like this and let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video, stay safe and take care. Bye bye to everybody. Stay safe.